Kaboom, it's me again, Jam Kenneck, because again one more time. Quick story. Yesterday I went to the country, St. Mary to be exact, not Kingston, Jamaica, West Indies. For the YouTube people who want to know where I'm at, okay, I'm in Jamaica. On my way to the country, truck drove wonderful, great, power, everything good. Reach down there to conduct business I went to deal with, didn't come through anyway. That's besides the point. We're about vehicle now. On our way back, took a different route. All of a sudden, the truck will start misfiring, lost of power, no push, no nothing at all. For a V8, this vehicle is a 03 Chevy 3500 dual wheel at the back. And on our way back, struggle to come in. Some hills that would normally be like easy was a hard task. And I had my Artel Maxi, whatever that word is, Artel. I plugged it in and checked to see what's happening, and I got a code P0 something about injector wires or injector circuit being open, and I was looking to see what was off, but because with these vehicles, half the engine is on the outside, the other half or part of it is here. So I had to come, remove the front seat, remove the engine cover right here to get to the plug wires, the coil packs, everything moves to get back here. And just by pulling that out, without touching anything at all, right? Without touching anything at all, I discovered, I'm going to shoot right now. I discovered this was like this when I was just looking around the engine. This plug right here, just like this. And I just say, okay, then that got to be the problem, because as I said, the code talk about injector circuit being open. To me, this was definitely open. This was so open, it was way open, wide open. You understand? So yeah, I just gonna clip it on. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. And we are going to fire it up. Yep. Smoke. And as a result of that, I use more gas than I ever planned to use going on that trip. But nevertheless, it's sorted out, it's fixed, and I'm good to go. So there you have it. Jam Mechanic, back at it again. One more time. Over and out.